Alright, so we're at the state fair, the Kentucky State Fair. So, and we decided we never had anything deep fried before. So,
You haven't?
no, have you?
Yes.
Okay, take that back. He's had something deep fried. I have.
Had a deep fried Twinkie last time I was here.
There you go,
Which
yeah.
was a long time ago.
Okay, I've never had anything deep fried. So I've always wanted a deep fried Oreo, so that's what I bought. Him, on the other hand, he wanted a deep fried,
PB&J.
yeah, PB&J. So with that being said, yeah, that's what the deep fried Oreo looks like.
With a crap ton of powdered sugar.
Yeah. You want to get yours?
Yeah, gets.
That's the deep fried PB&J. Looks like an Uncrustable. Is that ready?
Probably is. You alright? That's good. That's really good. You want to try mine?
That's what the inside looks like. You gotta show them the inside. This is the inside of the deep fried Oreo. Look like I've been snorting Coke. Literally.
What?
And you asked if I wanted to eat. You take a bite of that?
I did.
Not after you licked it.
Oh, come on.
No. We're on video, you dumbass. We're on Coke. Literally. Just joking, y'all. Kids do not do drugs or Coke or powdered sugar. So, if you could come here and do that again, would you?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I would. This is amazing.
I do the same. Look, I do the same.
This is really good.
Yeah, it is.
Best peanut butter and jelly yet. I eat a lot of PB&Js.
Great. Anyway, so, well, if y'all have any other suggestions on what we should try,
We made a mess.
you think?
Well, with how much powdered sugar he dumped on it.
Bobby Brown and Whitney Houston.
What?
He doesn't know. Anyway, so if y'all, good God, whatever, fucking naked.
Watch your language.
Oh my God. If y'all have anything else you would like for me and Cole to try, let us know down in the comments. Till then, bye.